So guys, let's take a look at what gold will be giving us for today. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, guys, please and please make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, because I'll be putting out more updates on this gold. And if you are yet to follow me on Telegram, make sure you do that, because yesterday I actually gave out free signal on gold, which actually made a profit. I actually made good amount of profit on this our gold, by the way. And I'll be looking to share more signal on gold on my Telegram channel. So the link to my Telegram channel is in the comment section. Just go to the comment section, click on the link, follow me on Telegram. I'll be putting out tons of information that will be helpful for you guys. So make sure you follow me on Telegram. By the way, I'll be expecting that. Now with this gold right now, one thing is that DXY will actually determine the movement on our gold for tomorrow, because one, we are expecting major news on um PPI, right? Producer price index, if I'm not wrong. So that's what actually determine it will actually have an effect on our DXY, which in turn will have an effect on gold. So basically, with what I'm seeing right now, I'm still expecting an upward movement on this gold, by the way. So with what I'm seeing, I will be aiming to go long on gold. So, and the level I'll be aiming to take my profit for tomorrow will be 2047, and wait for the news on PPI to be released. We don't know what the news would be talking about. We don't know what the news will say, but I think during that London section of time or whatsoever, gold will actually give us a bullish move. That is what I'm watching out for. During that London section period, we should expect some bullish move, not till when the news on PPI comes out. Then that can either continue on our direction on this goal, or we might eventually change direction. We don't know right now. So with what I'm saying, still good. We are still speculating a bullish move, by the way. So guys, if you are not following me on Telegram, do that. Do not hesitate to follow me. The link to my Telegram channel is definitely in the comment section.